Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use a clock in Minecraft. Now, how to use a clock and understanding what it is can be quite tricky. So let's put it on this time frame. The blue line represents daytime. This represents when it is daytime and how long it's going to be daytime for. The black line is when it's going to be night. Knowing how the blue kind of takes over the black means that there's more day than it is night. When the black slowly starts to take over the blue, it's going to become more darker and darker. The yellow line here is where the sun is out. The sun is out right now. So the sun will be on the line where the blue line is. You see this little gray thing? This is the moon. The moon, as you can see, then will start to slowly take over with the black line because it will then replace the sun. So this is an actual in-game time, so you know when to fall asleep and not when to fall asleep. You could fall asleep in a bed when that black line takes over 50% or 65% of the whole line. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.